So right now we're at the medical clinic and we are going to get our vaccines possibly done today.
Just one of them.
Just one of them. But it's like really expensive because we are
Not insured.
Yeah, we're not insured. Our insurance does not cover at all. But
We're so poor.
But yeah, today's August 13th, right? Yeah. So we're gonna see how it goes, and we're gonna consult whether or not like what vaccines we want to get right now today. So.
But for sure, we're getting the Japanese encephalitis one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there's an issue with that because there's a 28-day gap period where we have to take the second shot because it comes in a series of 2 shots. So, and by the time we get the second shot, we have to be in Japan during that time. So we're gonna see what happens and if there's any alternatives. So,
Yeah.
fucked.
Yeah. But it's recommended.
Yeah, it's highly recommended to take it though. But yeah, hopefully we can do it though, right?
Yeah. Hopefully we can get, like what you said, 1 shot and then another shot in Japan or something like that.
Yeah. Okay. Catch you guys on the flip side. So we're kind of dumb.
No. No, we're not.
We just paid like
$37.50.
yeah, $37.50 for nothing. Cause we like went in there and then they were like, "Oh, so where are you going?" We're like, "Oh, we're going to Japan." And like we're talking to a nurse at this point, right? And then we sat down and we started talking about like where we're staying. We're gonna be staying most of the time, and right? Yeah. So like, and then she was like, "Oh, well, you're not really at high risk for the Japanese encephalitis."
Yes.
I actually pronounced it right for once. And yeah, she was like, unless you're going to like rural areas, like
Yeah.
rice farms or like pig
Like
farms.
piggies.
Piggies.
Oh, they sound so fun now.
Or like, and she was like, yeah, you don't really need it. And then like, she talked about like, if you're gonna get the rabies vaccine, do not go into like caves or anything, because that's where like the bats,
Yes.
the things with rabies are. So she was just like, you don't really need the rabies vaccine, but she also did say you don't really need the Japanese encephalitis. So I was like, okay. And then she was like, well, I'm not gonna charge you guys that much for the visit because
Yeah,
like I
that's
feel
really
like
nice.
yeah, she was like, because you guys like came here for nothing technically besides getting informed.
Yeah.
So we were like, okay. And then so she gave her a discount for 50%, and then she made me pay it. But she gave me back the $12. But like it was kind of like, I kind of feel like it came for no reason.
Kind
Ish.
of.
Yeah.
Ish. But I feel more assured though.
I feel more assured.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
there's also a part of me that, because like you mentioned that you might go to Nikita?
Niigata.
Niigata?
Yeah. So like Niigata is kind of like more of a rural area. So I might need it, but she probably won't need it at all. So, I mean, I guess in a way we kind of did get information out of it. It was more like we're kind of safe in the area we're in, but we both. Then again, you might need to get it because we might both travel.
Yeah.
a
And
lot.
then that place that we go to might have rural areas, and then
Yeah.
mosquitoes bite us, and then we may die, and then.
Wow. Okay, Selena.
I
We
think-
might die.
Yeah, but for the most part, I think we're fine. It's just that we want to be extra careful. So if we do need it, because we're going to that place.
Yeah. Niigata.
Yeah.
So I guess we're just gonna see what happens.
Yeah.
And
we
like,
might get it in Japan.
yeah, I think we'll just end up gonna get it in Japan. Hopefully it's cheaper over there, cause like it is their own country, and like we're gonna be there. I think it makes more sense if it's cheaper, right?
Maybe. I mean, our insurance didn't cover this one. I don't know if our travel insurance will cover the other one in Japan, but
Yeah.
if we need it, we just need to spend the money. It's not a problem.
Yeah.
It's
Hope.
just-
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just hopefully it's not like above $400, but
She said $375, and I was like dying. And then
I
I
was
thought
like,
$375 was for 2 shots.
yeah. So like, so there was 2 separate shots for Japanese encephalitis. And each shot is $375 fucking dollars. And we almost lost our shit. I was like holding on to her like this. I was like, dude, I'm not about to pay this shit. Like that's just so expensive.
Yeah, I thought it was for 2 shots. I was like, oh, 2
Yeah.
is fine.
Yeah.
But it's 1 each.
Yeah,
And
it's
I'm
one
like,
each.
That's
And
like
the rabies is like $425 each. The rabies shot is like 3 consecutive shots. Like there's 3 shots for the rabies shot, and like you have to come in each different time, like of the month. Like the first shot, I think you get 2 the same time, or like something like that. And then the next one, the last one, you get 6 months later, apparently. And like it's like $425, or we're like, bruh, that's each shot. That's so expensive. Like I'm not about to like.
We're just not gonna go to caves.
Yeah, we're just gonna miss out on the cave part, but yeah, I think we should be fine. So we're like recording this all on my phone, so I don't think you can turn this around. But
Okay.
yeah, you can't. This is like, yeah, let's just take a photo.
Yeah, that's a photo.
Yeah, it's just a photo. Anyways, okay, how about this? This, I can't zoom in, can I?
You gotta get close to yourself.
Okay, well, anyways, this is the medical clinic, and we're right now outside of it, and Bart's right there.
Let's go.
We're gonna go now, and I think the next time we're gonna see each other is probably Japan.
Different areas.
Yeah, but
In
she,
Japan.
yeah, because you fucked up on the application.
Shut up. It wasn't just me.
It was so you. It was you and Jairus. You guys both fucked up an application. So like what happened was in the application for the certificate of eligibility, you were supposed to put Hanada.
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 Personal.
And then this bitch puts Narita. Narita.
Yeah, because I was like, ooh, Narita Kuko. You know, I always go there. And then I didn't know it put Haneda Kuko. And I was like, oh, my bad. But at least I'm going with someone else.
Yeah, so Jairus also fucked up on his application too, which you guys will probably meet him when we're in Japan. Damn, I should probably get like a selfie stick or something for
I
this
think
stuff.
you should too, because your arm is not long enough.
I know, I'm too short.
No.
I'm only
it
4'13".
needs to be.
But yeah, it kind of sucks though. I wish he would hang out with us more often. Hopefully he does.
In Japan.
Wait, is he doing temple housing?
No, he's doing own housing.
I thought he applied for temple.
Oh, I thought his mom said that he's getting his own house.
Oh.
Apartment.
I thought. Oh really? I thought in the group chat he said temple though. He didn't say temple in the group
No,
chat.
I think Chun said temple.
I know Chun was applied for the
The temple.
like the shared temple housing thing, but I don't know if he got the thing.
Me either.
Oh, how are we gonna get out there?
Squeeze our way out.
And the BART station.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, you can't even zoom in the front. You can only do it in the back.
Oh, that sucks. Maybe you need a new camera. Powell is.
How much is it?
It's $9.65.
Oh wow, 1930 total.
Let's go.
Eagle.
Where do I go?
We'll go this way.
This way.
This way. No. Yeah, they're going. Yeah, it doesn't matter where we enter though. Are you confused? What are you scared about?
Everything.
Everything. You went to Japan before though.
Yeah, but it's like this time is not just for vacation. It's like
To study.
legit study. Of course, I will study, but it's just scary.
But you're gonna like turn up more, right?
What?
You're gonna turn up more, right?
I don't know. I can't say. We'll see.
You'll see.
If that happens or not.
I feel like it will happen. I really want to see Selena like,
Like just let loose.
yeah. Dun, 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 dun.
So many choices.
That doesn't look like a nice chair. This looks like a nice chair.
Starting with, if you're looking to go towards Millbrae and or Caltrain, go ahead and ride this train to the very next station. Step off, go across the platform, watch that overhead sign for the Millbrae train. When the Millbrae train arrives, board up, and in 5 minutes, you will be standing at Millbrae.
I know, he's so extra, bro.
Transfer platform just east of.
I hate when like you go on BART and like no one talks in the speakers.
Oh,
It's
you
like-
didn't know where to go.
No, not only that, it's just like it seems a little more sketch.
Yeah, Bart to me now is just kind of dangerous.
Dangerous. Ever since that thing what happened in
San
McDonald's.
Francisco Antioch train. The doors are closing. They will reopen before departure from the station.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you ready? Burning BART, that's why I'm burning. Can you turn this around? I don't think you can turn this around, can you?
I don't think so.
We're so confused.